Blue skies. 5.
¿En qué tal? Vamos a hacer una readecuación de la lección para esta semana y vamos a ir al repaso de la unidad 1. Aquí vamos a trabajar en el workbook y luego en revisión. Primero un workbook que vamos a hacer. Closing activities. Actividades de cierre. Dice complete con el present simple o el present progressive de los verbos en paréntesis. Luke is going on a road trip around Latin America next month. They usually go hiking on Sundays, so they are not joining us on the sightseeing tour. Are you enjoying your stay in our hotel, sir? She loves traveling, but she avoids tourist traps. Vamos, sigamos. Complete las oraciones con la forma correcta de las palabras en los paréntesis y las palabras dan, da, or as. We always prefer to stay in a hotel when we go on vacation. It's more comfortable than camping. This restaurant is the most expensive in the area. Why don't we just order some chicken from Louis? In my opinion, visiting an art gallery is much more interesting than visiting a museum. A vacation in Peru means much more than just having a relaxing time. This is the biggest and luxurious hotel room I have ever stayed in. I watched his live performance last night, and I think that he is at his best. With history, wildlife, and famous beaches, Yucatan is one of the most well-known tourist destinations in Mexico. Mexico City is a fascinating capital with one of the largest metropolitan areas in the world. Bien, continuamos con la lección. Ahora sería la letra C. Escoja las palabras correctas. Stand clear or stand away. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Ahí hubo un error. Aquí sería clear, perdón. It's a very common announcement inside subway trains. Have been stuck in the traffic jam for over an hour. Get the latest departure information directly from the airport's online timetable. The train now arriving at platform or terminal. Platform is heading south to Los Angeles. The accommodations and service at this alternative resort hotel were far beyond our expectations. Please make sure you have taken all your personal belongings or belongings before you leave the plane. Passengers with e-tickets, please proceed to boarding gate D9 in Terminal A. Excuse me, Mom, do you mind swapping seats so my partner and I can sit together? Vamos acá. D. Complete las oraciones con las palabritas de la caja. The mayor has announced that by the end of the year, fares for bus and subway services will increase. A group of scientists on an expedition to Antarctica have gotten trapped in the ice. The flight attendant told us to fasten our seatbelts as the airplane was about to land. You can make a reservation for a table with an ocean view via our website or simply by phone. Next month, my dream is going to come true as I am going on a road trip around Latin America. The journey to the village takes more than 6 hours by train, but it's worth it. The hikers set up camp in the forest instead of staying at the bed and breakfast in the village. The airline offered me a free ticket to any destination in exchange for giving up my set on the flight. Esto aquí, esto acá, esto, vamos acá. Ferdinand Megletten. Read the text and answer the questions. ¿Qué vamos a hacer con esto? Bien, ¿qué vamos a hacer con esta lectura? Vamos a copiarla en nuestros cuadernos. Allí dice copiar en sus cuadernos la traducción de la presente lectura. Eso van a hacer ustedes, copiarla en la traducción, obviamente en español, que es lo que dice acá. Bien, eso es lo que vamos a hacer en sus cuadernos, todo esto, toda esta lectura. Con esta lectura ya traducida, ya ustedes pueden contestar esta parte. Entonces, What was Magellan to the first to do? La vamos a encontrar acá en la respuesta. Aquí está la respuesta. Entonces tenemos que elegir entre A, B, C o D. La correcta es la A. Why did Magellan leave Portugal for Spain? Aquí está la respuesta. The answer. And the right one is letter C. 3. What was Spain trying to find? The answer in the text. Texto. Sería la B. Letter B. Number 4. Why did the king think that the expedition was a good idea? The answer. So, we choose C. Number 5. Magellan's expedition returned after 3 years with the answer. Mary. So, the answer is letter A, B, C. No, entonces sería la D. Correcto. Ahí está. 18 men but without Magellan. Y tenemos revision. Escoja entre la A, B o C. Every year, lots of tourists. A, R, B or C. Tenemos que elegir acá entre la correcta. The answer is A. Every year, lots of tourists visit Baja California, one of the New World's oldest grape growing areas. I always hate it when I get stuck in a traffic jam. Malcolm and Peter never A, B, or C. The answer is A. And Malcolm and Peter never agree about who is the best photographer. He has traveled to London more than 3 times already this year. I have booked many plane tickets to Los Angeles already. I am leaving tomorrow. Pedro is thinking about moving to Seattle. Next. Esto esta, ¿verdad? Vamos con este. Bien. Se encierra en un círculo la palabra correcta. La central de Abasto in Mexico City is the largest wholesale market in the world and a fascinating place to walk around. Most visitors love the taste of pambazos, which are sandwiches similar in style to the most familiar tortas. I have visited and I'm visiting 5 museums so far, but they weren't as interesting as I expected. This soup is tastes awful. Why always do you choose, or do you always choose? Why do you always choose the same vacation destination? I haven't had or I'm not having any coffee. I haven't had any coffee since this morning, so I'd love to have a cup. Complete las oraciones con las palabras de la caja. The Encuentro Guadalupe Hotel, formerly known as Mira Loma, is a 5-star hotel in Rivera Maya, Mexico. They say that the new version of this application to finding a vacation destination is much better than the previous one. Each individual chair is made by hand using bamboo. There are a lot of charming little restaurants only a few blocks away from where I live. We reward our regular customers with a 10% discount at our spa and fitness center. Taking photographs and touching the wall is forbidden inside and outside the temple. There is a daily bus service with Mexico City to Puebla. From Mexico City to Puebla. Each room in this hotel is decorated in a unique style. Security services at most airports remove and destroy any unattended luggage. A flexible ticket means you can change your flights at any time before departure, free of charge. Vamos acá. Escoja entre A, B o C. I am so disappointed because there are immediate or direct or deluxe. Tenemos que ver la correcta. B. Direct. Assistance. Priority seats for elderly and those in need are available on all buses, trains, and ferries. Do not disturb sign clearly indicates that room guest does not want anyone to enter. The bus lane, or slope. Lane. The bus lane downtown is closed because of an accident. The entrance, A, free, for the 2 main rooms is 57 pesos and visiting hours are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Apart from London. I have never visited any European capital city. Plan your trip 6 months ahead, and you can combine, increase, or purchase your ticket at a discount. In the early summer mornings, we like watching the sun increase, rise, or let. Rise over the horizon. Escribe las oraciones usando las palabras en paréntesis. Ian has already made a reservation for a hotel rooms. I have known Danny since 2006. This is the most exciting place we have ever visited. Tendríamos que haber escrito las oraciones, volverlas a escribir usando estas palabritas que están ahí en paréntesis. The food at the new Italian restaurant is not as good as the food at the Paolo. The food at the Paolo is better than the food at the new Italian restaurant. And this is it. Y esto es todo. Bien, vamos a explicarle lo que vamos a hacer al final. Bien, aquí dice material. Aquí va a estar el tutorial que estoy haciendo. Van a contestar las páginas y lo van a entregar aquí en tarea. Aquí está en la parte donde van a subir las páginas del libro contestado junto con la traducción de la lectura que está ahí. La lectura le tomo foto y la foto a las páginas del libro contestadas, que serán 3 páginas del libro. Y aquí va a estar el video tutorial. Aquí se tienen que venir siempre, en el material siempre busquen los videos, enlaces, archivos, todo lo que necesiten para hacer sus tareas. Siempre váyanse a material y lo último envían aquí sus tareas. Bueno, eso es todo. Cuídense. Take care.